Hey, welcome to another of my adventure videos. I want to start apologizing. It has been a while since the last time we did a video, and it's because a really good reason though. 4 weeks ago, I became a dad of a really beautiful girl, so I've been really busy. Sorry about that. Anyhow, today I decided to go to Hagerstown, Maryland, and I share with you a really cool detail I found online. This town was founded by a German immigrant, which makes it really cool because I'm foreign. He bought the land where the town is now, and the cool detail is that he named it first after his wife's name, and it was Elizabethtown. And then this guy's name was Hagers. So because he was so popular in the area, after a couple of years, they decided to change the name of the town to Hagerstown after his name. So I just thought it was a really cool small detail. Anyhow, I did something different today, just to try it out. I did put a GoPro on my helmet, and also put a GoPro on my handlebar, so you can have like different perspectives of the ride over there. It was really beautiful, just back roads, enjoying the wind. It was beautiful. So I'm gonna add that video here for you guys to enjoy it, and let me know in the comments below if you like it, if we start including that kind of footage on my videos. To what we talk about, food and beer. I found this place in downtown Hagerstown, really small pub. The inside looks absolutely cool. Looks like they do live music sometimes, would make it better. It was not the case today, but it was really beautiful atmosphere. Talking about burgers, they had this burger called Western Burger, and the reason I remember the name it was a completely different looking burger. I don't know if my English played a trick on it or the description, I didn't understand it anyhow, but it was fabulous. It was one of the best burgers I ever tried. I definitely recommend going and having that burger. Good. Talking about beer, I end up trying two because they have so many different selections. The first one, which I don't remember the name, it was really blonde. I think it was the name like in, I don't know, French or something. It was from New England originally though. Something like that. It was a yellow beer anyhow, blonde beer, sorry. So it was good. The second one was my favorite, and that was a suggestion from the waitress, which I really appreciate. I gave him a good tip for it. It was a beer that had coffee on it. I know what you're thinking. I have tried beers that have coffee before, and I didn't really enjoy them that much. But this one in particular was so good because you can smell the coffee, but when you drink it, you don't really taste it that strong. So I really, really like that beer. And I put a picture of it here so you can see it. Really dark and really, really delicious. So anyhow, if you are looking for a place to go eat and have fun, they're in Hagerstown, Maryland. I definitely recommend that place. I put a link on the description below. And as always, if you enjoyed the video, please like it, subscribe. And if you don't like it, you know what to do. Thank you for watching.